Hello everyone, and welcome to this session, this interesting session brought to you by Short and Metrics. Um, I hereby demand for you to listen and learn these chart hacks that no one will ever tell you about. And if you want these sort of contents to be regularly uploaded within our channel, then make sure to like, subscribe, and comment whatever you want us to discuss. We are maybe a bit new, but we are here to bring a lot of value and to help you get better at your trading career, or whether if it's investing or learning maybe some other ways to exploit the financial markets and make your own profession. So let's get to it. In today's session, I want you to pay attention, and I'm gonna teach you how to look at stuff that no one will ever teach you, because what works needs to be kept a secret, but that's what the YouTube for and due diligence is, so you guys know which content to to be to take it seriously, or whether to just pass by and go on to the next YouTube channel. But with all honesty, I think that it doesn't matter. I can teach you a lot of stuff that works for me, but if you are not made for it and you are not cut up for this profession, then it's not for you, and you should, in the end, you would quit. You need to love the process. You need to love the way that you are going through in to become a successful trader. And let me show you how you can, guys, approach the Bitcoin charts and the crypto markets a little bit more confidently. And just you do you. All right. So right now we are looking at the Bitcoin's chart on the 1 hour time frame, which it doesn't matter. I can go to the 4 hour just for us to see the structure a bit better. Okay. And what I'm going to do is to split the screen in half, and I will go to this ticker. As you can see, it's USDT. Opa, that's not the correct chart. One second. You can go to USDT.D. That is the ticker for everyone who wonders. Go for CryptoCap because it's the most reliant. So just go for it. And this is one of the 5 or 6 charts that I want to share with you guys, so you can create your own edge in the markets. So what this chart is here is market cap USDT dominance, meaning how much in percentages is the USDT crypto coin, okay, which is a stable coin. If you don't know what stable coin is, then please make sure to write it down, and we can upload some materials that will help you to get through these. Um, but this is the market share that the USDT coin is taking out of the crypto market. Let's say the crypto market is, of course, is 100% whole. When we talk about the USDT chart, we want to see how much of the same 100% here is going into the USDT, meaning people are selling their cryptos. And right now we can see that the percentage is 7.33 for the USDT market cap dominance. So if you guys take a good look, okay, let's go for the 4 hour time frames and we'll clean that up. Now let's make it a bit bigger. As you guys can see, these charts are basically inverted. Okay, pay attention. If I put my mouse here, then you can see it right here. So look at the same time. You see where I'm with my pointer? Perfect. So please pay attention. When the crypto started to rise, what happened in the USDT chart? It started to fall, meaning people have sold their USDT in order to participate in the crypto market, and they bought Bitcoin. Once they bought Bitcoin, the market share of USDT has dropped significantly. Why? Because people are transferring their wealth into Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin rises, USDT share of the market is going down. Okay, so this is the number one thing I want you to focus on, because once you guys get what goes with the dollar, you'll know whether you position yourself or not. Sometimes it is more easy to see the bigger picture on the USDT chart instead of on the Bitcoin, so you can just play with it. Okay, that's the point of it. So that's the first chart. Remember, when Bitcoin goes up, the USDT chart, which is right here, this is the name, of course, goes down. Okay, just remember this one and play this rule very carefully, and you might even like it and find it like significantly easier to trade all of a sudden. So that's the first important one that I wanted you to know. Now let's drop down a time frame for the 1 hour for both charts, and we'll go over to the second chart hacks that I want you guys to know about, which is the BTC CME futures, Bitcoin CME futures, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Um, and what I want you to guys to be I want you to guys to notice here that this is worked by the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, meaning there are market makers involved. Okay, this is not directly trading the future. It's just a copycat of the Bitcoin's movement. And what you can see is you can see the actual market makers into work within this time frame, and I can tell you how you guys can exploit it. Okay, so let's head over to the 15 minute. By the way, you guys, if you want to search it up, you go to BTC1 explanation mark, and then you press this one, and you can see that this is the chart that you are looking for. Okay, so let's make it full size for a bit, and we're on the 15 minutes. Now, what I want to look for is gaps in price. Okay, as you can see, these are gaps in prices where you see one candle finishes somewhere and the other candle doesn't necessarily go with it. Um, why is it important? Because this is an imbalance in the charts. Okay, this is somewhere that price needs to return to in some point, um, to just to make the markets more finalized. Okay, imagine that this is the market makers losing money. He needs to come back to it at some point. And as you can see, every time we find a gap, price have some price have someone returned to it. Okay, and gap is filled. There's another one, another gap in the chart. So small, but it also came back to it. And here's another one for you. Another gap, another retrace into it. Okay, so let's head over and find more gaps. Wow. Okay, so look how it works. You can be totally manipulated. Look at this. Look at this gap, and they went all the way up just to come back down to fill this gap, find some resistance, and then break it down, and then kind of make it support. But you get the point. Let's go and search for more gaps. There, there's one right here. That's fair. Look at this. Look at how long it took for them to return to that gap. But what did they do? They did it. Okay. So once you have these gaps in the charts, there's another one. Once you have these gaps in the charts, you can definitely, let's make it a bit bigger so I can take it. And you see another fill. You can definitely exploit the charts. Look at this perfect gap right here. And what did they do? Continue up just to nuke it back down to recover this and then continue back up. And they always come back for the gaps. Guys, remember this. I want you to go to the 15-minute time frames on this particular chart and just mark all the gaps in the areas. Look at this one. Look at this one. The precision. That's perfect. So just go over it, and I'm sure you're going to like it and love it and use it. Although there's one thing you guys need to remember. This is delayed. This is a delayed chart. You need to be a payer. You need to be a subscriber for the Chicago Mercantile Exchange charts in TradingView to be able to see it in real time. But this is not what we are looking for. Like we can use it the paid if you guys scalp or whatever. But if you take some long positions, like meaning swing trades, then you should take it kind of easy. The next chart that I want to share with you is the Bitcoin volatilities chart index for the recent 24 hours. Not a lot of people know about this, but you see this is a weird chart. chart. This is not a chart where you read and try to predict price movement. What's important for you here is to understand that once this chart drops, then there's no volatility in Bitcoin. Look at this. Let's open the Bitcoin chart. Look at this. You see, when this is falling down, meaning the crypto market is not volatile, there are no participants. Price will probably range, okay? Once this goes down, you can see that the crypto market is going sideways. That's that's guys, no one knows about this stuff. Yeah, this is all for you. So this is how you can remain out of sketchy positions and not knowing where Bitcoin needs to go, whether you should go into a position or not. Then remember, you have the Bitcoin volatility chart. Use this to see if it's rising and you know it's rising. Then yeah, look back. Let's go a little back. Oh, I can't do that. Okay, look. Once this went up, Bitcoin volatility has come into play. Look at this rise right here. This is the chain. This is the same. And then volatility has started playing with us. Nothing interesting has happened besides these stop hunts, which you can see clearly here, and then volatility drops again. Then this chart should do you well. Okay, so let's head on to the next one, and these are kind of easy to understand. The next one I'm going to talk about the total market cap. There are three different charts. Okay, there's the total market cap. Let's call it one. There's crypto total market cap two, and there's crypto total market cap three. What are the differences between the two, between the three? I'm sorry, is the first one is including BTC. Okay, this chart right here includes the market cap of crypto, as you see, $1.137 trillion of market cap, including Bitcoin. The second chart is excluding Bitcoin, okay, which means Ethereum and all other altcoins in the same chart. This is total 2, as you can see. Without Bitcoin, there's a 551.4.5 billion dollar of market cap with Ethereum and altcoins, and the third one will be excluding BTC and Ethereum, meaning only altcoins, okay, shitcoins, however you want to call it. So the purpose of these charts is to help you determine which positions are you going to open. Whether are you going to trade alts, are you going to trade Ethereum, are you going to trade Bitcoin, and this is what it is for, okay? And if you see the total market cap, the first one, including Bitcoin, is going sideways, then you need to check the second one, and then you see it sideways again. Okay, so maybe only altcoins are pumping, and as you can see, nothing happened. What it means? It means that the USDT.D index is probably going high, and as you can see, it did go high, which make people go shift out $2 instead of remaining inside the crypto market. So that would be an interesting one to watch. And the ticker is just crypto sorry guys, crypto total market cap in dollars, and then you can do total 3, and then you can do total 2, and you know how it is. So that's basically it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helps like finding an edge in this market. And just remember that if you guys want any other content, you want us to keep talking about stuff, you want us to be able to do some master classes for you in regards to certain topics, then make sure to comment it, and please give us a subscribe, help us grow our page and help educate other people to become professionally traders. So have a good one, guys, and we'll see you soon in the next session. Peace.